Hi, this is Shupriyo. So a big thank you to Pratik who asked me this question in one of my videos, which triggered this video. And this is a technique that I have been using for a long time since I was a student to get access to the highest quality paid journalism without actually paying for it. So I do not recommend doing this if you are already employed, and if you have the resources to pay for that journalism, you should definitely go ahead and pay for their subscription models because the journalism is quite high quality. However, there are many international newspapers that we want to read online, and they are only available to us if we pay for it. So if you are a student and you do not have the resources to pay for it, you can go ahead and use these tips. But before I start the video, so a big congratulations to all of you who have made it to the final mains of RBI assistant. So I will be making few more videos on RBI assistant in the next week. As you can see from my background, I am traveling right now, and that's why I am coming out with a different kind of video, and I hope that you enjoy the tips and tricks given in this video. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, and I will try to always bring high quality video like this. So without any further ado, let's go to my computer and let's see how we can get ahead and read all these paid articles for free. Let's go. So now we have reached my computer screen, and as you can see, I have a few articles open right now. Before we start off with the video, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you the way in which you can unblock all of these articles that you want to read, which are actually paid articles, but you want to read them for free. So I will teach you how to actually do that, and if there are some URLs where this technique does not work, then I will be showing you an alternate technique so that you can go ahead and have a workaround for that. And then I will talk about a few other options and also about scientific journals, how to go about that. So some very interesting things I'll be covering. So first of all, as you can see on my computer screen, I have the Economist website open right now, and I'm interested in reading this article, but as you can see, it's asking me to get an annual or a multi-year package. So it is actually paywalled, so it's a paid article and I can't read it for free. So if I go over to the Bloomberg website, so you can see that the Bloomberg article, it is also behind a paywall. And I'll go over to the Wall Street Journal. So the Wall Street Journal also, you can see it's behind a paywall, and they're asking me for payment for me to read this article. And also the Financial Times, so they're also asking me to pay. Now why you should go ahead and read these articles is because, first of all, they are international articles and very widely in demand, and they allow you to have a very good practice of the English language, first of all, and you can get all the international news as well. But even more importantly, the Economist, for example, in my 2016 SBI PO exam, the exam where I was selected in SBI, so in that exam they had actually lifted an article directly from the Economist. So as you can understand, like, these are the top quality journalism articles in the world, and IBPS and sometimes other exams also, all the government exams, they directly lift the articles, the reading comprehension articles from these articles, and they will ask you some RC questions based on that. So if you have already read those articles, you will be actually very leaps and bounds ahead of the other candidates who will be reading that. And so I would highly recommend that you do this. So without any further discussions, let's go ahead and let's find out how we can do it. So this is the URL, as you can see over here, the Economist URL. So this is actually ad block. So what you have to do is you have to go to the URL, navigate to the front of the URL and write down www.outline.com/ and just remove this HTTPS thing. So if you remove it, your URL should look like this, and now press enter. So what happens when you press enter, it goes to the outline.com site, and what the outline.com site does is, as you can see, the entire article, it is now available to you for free. So you can read everything without any distractions, and the great thing is that they will be giving you all the text and even the images that are attached, whatever is available, and you can read till the end. As you can see, till the end it is possible to read, and all the other distractions are actually just eliminated. So this is a very nifty trick, and I have been using this for a long time before I was paying for any of these articles, and it will actually help you a lot. So the Economist, this is something, this is the magazine website which you really should read, because it will help you with your English, and it will help you to get ahead of all the other people, because you will be getting RC practice. So I really want you to go ahead and do this. And so let's go ahead and see whether it works with Bloomberg. So this is the Bloomberg article. I'll navigate to the address bar, go to the front, www.outline.com / and I'll just remove these things. Okay, now hit enter, and it's outlining. Voila, yeah, you have the entire article to you for free, so you can go ahead and read the entire article. So what outline.com does, sometimes it will actually remove the images, so you might not get the images, but the text you will 100% get all the text, and that's what matters for us, isn't it? We want to get through to the text, and we want to have the RC practice, and we want to get access to the highest quality journalism. So this is how you do it with outline.com redirects. And the next thing that I want to cover is the Wall Street Journal. So Wall Street Journal, it is a little bit complicated, so I will show you. So Wall Street Journal, as you can see, this is the article, bonds extend rally as US stocks decline. So if you want to read this, you are paywalled, and let's try first with the outline.com. So if we try with www.outline.com, okay, and we remove this HTTPS part and we try it. So this outline, it's trying, and we get something went wrong. So the outlining has failed for this website. So if this kind of a situation happens where the outlining has been failed, so what you can do is you can do something different. So I'll show you with a link of another Wall Street Journal article. So this is the Wall Street Journal article. So it's a little bit older article, so this trick will work for a little older articles usually, but if you are lucky, you can get the latest articles as well. So as you can see, the market forces that propelled a massive rally in long bonds. This is the article. It's a September 2, 2019 article, and it is paywalled. So what we can do is we can open up another website which is called archive.fo. So this is how you have to open it, archive.fo. Press enter, and this is actually an archival website. So what it does, it has some crawlers and some spiders. You do not need to get into the technical specifications, so it works like Google spiders, and it always just goes ahead and keeps a track of all of these articles. So just do one thing, you go ahead and you just copy this, the market forces that propelled a massive rally in long bonds. The article, the title, you just copy this article title, you go to this website and you paste it over here. I want to search the archive for saved snapshot, so snapshots. So you go ahead and paste over here, you go ahead and paste it over here. So as you can see, I'll just go ahead and click on search. So as I click on search, the archive.fo, it is searching for all the articles which were actually in the archive, snapshot of the archive. So the first article is the WSJ article. Click on this. Once you click on it, you find a totally archived article of Wall Street Journal, and the entire article you can go ahead and read. So this is very nice, because this article, as you can see, it was totally paywalled for us, and even if you try with outline.com, it was not allowing us, as we found that something went wrong. This was given. So if you want to read WSJ articles which you are not getting access to, and by the way, this also happens with ft.com. So ft.com also, the financialtimes.com, this is also a very premier website. So if you go ahead and try with www.outline.com and you put a slash, and you just remove all this, and you press enter. So as you can see, if I try to outline the financialtimes.com website, so it starts outlining, it's going on and it's going on, and it's not supported. So we are sorry, but this URL is not supported by outline. So Financial Times and Wall Street Journal and a few of the other news outlets you might not be able to do using this technique. So you can always go to archive.fo, and what I would recommend to you is let's go to archive.fo again so that I can show you from the front. So archive.fo, you go there, and I want to search the archive for snapshots. This is the place. So you go ahead, and what you can write over here is you write just very simply, you just write ft.com. So if you write ft.com and hit on search, so what happens is all the Financial Times articles which were archived recently are all now available to you. So if you want to just go ahead and read this: UK government warned against cutting entrepreneurs relief in budget. So click on this, and if you click on this, as you can see, the entire article is now available to you for free. You do not need to pay anything to the ft.com, financialtimes.com, and you can go ahead and have access to the entire article. So for all the latest articles, you can go ahead and write like this, ft.com, and as you can see, this is a 6th March article, this is a 6th March article, 5th March article, 5th March 2020. So some of the very latest, you see February 12, 2020. So some of the very latest articles also you will be able to access using this. And if you want some WSJ articles, just go ahead, select this wsj.com, put it over there, press enter, and it's going to go to all the Wall Street Journal articles that have been archived. So this is a very, very nifty trick for people who do not want to pay for these articles. So you can go ahead and very, very interesting articles of the highest quality journalism you can get totally for free. And this is a game changer actually for people who want to improve their English, who want to get ahead in IBPS and all the other government exams. You can read all of these paid articles for free using the archive.fo. So that is all about these websites. So wsj.com, ft.com, and as we have over here, the Economist and Bloomberg. So these are the 4 top sources, top international sources that I always refer to. And I can also give you another nifty trick. So if you are a science background person and you want to go ahead and look into some educational, some journals, some scientific journals, so you go to sci-hub.tw. You go to this website. So what you can get here is this website. It actually gives you access to all the research papers available for free. So all the research papers, when you try to get access to those research papers, sometimes they will be paywalled and sometimes they will be behind the publisher networks. So how can you get those research papers for free? You just need to enter the URL or the PMID or the DOI. So DOI is the Digital Object Identifier number, DOI number. So you can easily get the DOI number of that article that you want to research, and you just put it over here, hit enter, and you can get access to all the articles. And as you can see, this website has 81 million research papers that you can go ahead and get access to for free. Free research papers. Can you believe this? Many of my science background friends actually have used this website in their scientific research projects and PhDs, whatnot. So they told me that this has been a game changer and they did not need to pay a penny to access all of these things. And if you want some scientific journals for free, you can go ahead and search over here and they will be available to you totally for free. So this is a really, really nice website to know about. And the final thing that I want to show you today is this URL, education.wsj.com/SEARCH students. So this URL, what this URL does is basically, if your university has a tie-up with the Wall Street Journal, you can get your WSJ membership totally for free. So many people were not aware of this actually, even of the renowned institutes which have the tie-ups. So I wanted to convey this also to you. So how can you activate your WSJ membership? You just got to go ahead and give your university name. So you can search over here as Indian. So if I put the word Indian, as you can see, IIT Roorkee, IIM Vishakhapatnam, IIM Udaipur, IIM Nagpur, IIM Lucknow, IIM Calcutta, IIM Amritsar, and also all the other universities, they have a tie-up with the Wall Street Journal. So if you go ahead and search this, if you get this thing to pop up in that search bar and you go ahead and click search, then you can find a free portal. So if you click on this, you can get a free subscription to the Wall Street Journal, and as you can see, this is only allowed for the allowed networks. So if you are on a student network, only then you will be able to access these things. So this Wall Street Journal, they actually have this for the students, and this is not going to be useful to a lot of people, but the people from IIMs and the IITs, you can go ahead and try it over your intranet, and you might get this beneficial thing, and you can get access to the highest quality journalism. So that's all that I wanted to show you. I hope that you make use of this information and read the Economist, Bloomberg, Wall Street Journal, and also the financialtimes.com, and I hope that you have learned something from this video and that it was beneficial to you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.